I'm going to carry out a quick setup of two pumps on an LT500 Hydroranger. On the start, we press the right arrow key, quick start, quick commissioning, right arrow again, level, want it to be meters, which it already is. I'm going to choose the ultrasonic head, in this case it's an XRS5. Highlight that one and right click again. Temperature is coming off the transducer. The lower calibration point, that's the empty distance. The distance between the bottom of the ultrasonic head and the bottom of the tank. I want to change that to 1.76 meters. 1, 7, 6, 176. The upper calibration point is the empty distance minus the span. So my span is 1.2 meters, and we take that away from 1.76, the empty distance, and that gives you 0.56. 0.56, right click, OK, down to next. Response rate is medium. Material type is liquid, down to next, right click. Do you want to apply these changes? Yes. And we come back out to the front view, and that's reading now correctly. Now we're going to set up the pumps. Quick start, down to pump control, right click again. Number of pumps, 2, that's already highlighted. And we wanted alternate duty assist, that's already highlighted as well. Pump 1, we're going to use relay 1. Pump 2, we're going to use relay 2. And the onset point for pump 1 is 0.8 meters. OK. And the offset point is 0.5 meters. OK. The onset point for pump number 2 is 1 meter. OK. And off is 0.5 meters as well. Pump 2, 0.5 meters, stop. OK. Down to next. Apply, yes. Now we come down to set the high level alarm on relay 6. Set it for level. Next. We highlight level above alarm limit. Next. So I want it to be 1.15. And OK. Next. Do you want to configure relays? Yes. So I want that to be relay 6 for the high level alarm. Down to next, and I'm going to choose above the alarm limit again, so highlight that, down to next, right key, apply the changes, yes. And just come right back out of that. Now I just want to set up my loss of echo, so down to setup, right click, inputs and outputs, go down to relay 3, I'm going to use for loss of echo, right click, mode, down to alarms and diagnostics, right click, click again, and down to sensor diagnostics, right click, and down to loss of echo, right click, and down to save settings, and right click, and left all the way back to run mode. Now if I press the down arrow, you'll see the 4 relays all programmed up. Now to do a simulation, right click, maintenance and diagnostics, all the way down to simulation, right click, process values, level, come down to simulation value. I want that to start at 0 meters, that's okay. And the rate, I want to change that to fast, press once, press again, and then come up to simulation mode, change from disabled to ramp, press once to highlight, press again, it should now be ramping. And then you come right back out of the whole thing. It's now rising up here, so pump number 1 should come on at 0.8 meters. There it is. Pump number 2, there's pump number 2 on now, and the high level alarm. The high level alarm's off now because it's dropping down, and both these pumps should stop at 0.5 meters. There we are. Now you just need to come out of the simulation mode, right click, maintenance and diagnostics, all the way down to simulation, right click, process values, level, simulation mode, highlight disabled and enter, and then come right back out. That's it, reading the live value. Next I want to set up the failsafe behavior, so it's quick start, down to setup, sensor, then select failsafe diagnostics, highlight the loss of echo, and save the settings. From there we go back to setup, inputs and outputs, current output, and enable. Click on that and enable it. Now go back to failsafe behavior and choose high, lower, hold.